Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so if you guys Android user, of course you are familiar with how to turn on the hotspot. But in this time I will give you two tips or two tutorial on how to turn on the hotspot. Alright guys, so yeah, to turn on the hotspot is very easy. So without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, the first thing first is now you can swipe down on the home screen to go to control center, and then now you can turn on the mobile hotspot like this. And then the second one is now you can go to settings menu and then go to connection and go to mobile hotspot and battery, and then here now you can turn it on. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on the mobile hotspot, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.